Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to buy and sell Solana meme coins step-by-step guide. First, you have to open any browser like Google Chrome and search coingecko.com on the search bar. Open the website, go to categories and select Solana meme coin. You can use the search bar to find specific coins or browse through categories like DeFi or meme tokens. Once you find a Solana meme coin you want to buy or sell, click on its name to access its page. Here you can find important information such as the current price, market cap, trading volume, and links to the coin's website and social media channels. On the coins page, scroll down to the market sections. This section lists the cryptocurrency exchanges where the coin is listed and available for trading. Look for exchanges that support Solana trading pairs. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange from the list provided on CoinGecko and create an account if you don't already have one. Make sure to verify your identity and set up two-factor authentication for security purposes. Deposit funds into your exchange account. Most exchanges support deposits in various cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. If you are planning to buy Solana meme coins with fiat currency, you may need to deposit fiat and then convert it into Solana or another cryptocurrency first. Once your funds are deposited, navigate to the trading section of the exchange and search for the Solana meme coin you want to buy. Select the trading pair and place a buy order at your desired price. After purchasing the Solana meme coins, consider transferring them to a secure wallet for a long-term storage. Some exchanges support Solana wallets, or you can use a compatible Solana wallet such as Soleil or Phantom. To sell Solana meme coins, follow a similar process but select the sell option instead of buy on the exchange platform. Specify the amount you want to sell and set your desired price. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.